Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to show you how list compression iteration is going to work. Okay, so let's see through example. Suppose there is a list. So here I am also tell you about you can work list compression on tuple, set, dictionary, any list object or any type of Python dictionary or Python data structure. So it's a very suitable if you go for the multiple lines of code. If you want to compress that multiple lines to the single line, then list compression is the best way. Okay, then I will show you how iterator is going to be work. Suppose there is a L is a list and it is having the items 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 or comma 5. Okay, so if you go for the print list compression, there is a square bracket begin print, there is a called a n or L or X, then for loop means iterator for X in L. Fine. So let's print it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how could you another way going to be print? There is a range also. L dot length, there is also function is there. You can go into the print. So this is the iterator function. And if you want to print on the conditional basis, how cold it is going to be print? If x not equal to 3, then print it. Okay, so here 3 is removed and 1 to 5 it is going to be print. Okay, so then another way, suppose I want to find, you understand how it is going to be work. Okay, so suppose print x for x in range, that is top is there 10. Okay, so when it is going to be print, it is print from 0 to 9. Okay, and if there is adding any condition, if that is x modulus 2 not equal to 0, okay, that elements are not going to be print. 1 2 5 1 3 5 7 9. Okay, so here first list, that is why it is going to be print first, then second. So here you have to write print only odd inside range of elements. Fine. Only odd inside range of elements 1 3 5 7 9. Okay, you understand? Here I also iterate, here I also taking the condition and going to be print. So in this way the list compression iterator is going to be work, and you practice more and different ways. I will assign you tags also. Okay, you do on in your way. So this is the basic concepts I already covered. Fine. And if you like this video, please share it, and please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon, and when I am going to upload any future videos you will get the notifications. Thank you.